For the fun of completing a very basic video filming kit with our DJI Action 4 camera, we've decided to buy and try out the Ulanzi LM18 quick magnetic mount LED light. We have many other tiny LED lights like the Aperture AL-M9. It is small, but uses a cold shoe mount. If you're using the Action 4 camera without any cage system, there's no way you can have a cold shoe accessory mounted to the body of the Action 4 camera. This Ulanzi LM18 utilizes the DJI Action quick release mounting, so you can seamlessly integrate onto the body. If you're using the Ulanzi cage like what we are using, then the side mount can be a good place to mount on this LM18 light. Functionality of this light is very basic. Hold power to turn on or off, and short press to toggle or cycle between 3 brightness settings. The light throw is decently wide and soft. No hotspots to cause any issues when filming a mid-shot interview or selfie-styled piece to camera. The LM18 charges via a USB-C connector on the side, with a little rubber flap that looks quite well fit to provide some level of waterproofness.